Here's a level 17 type question. We have negative 8y minus 72 times 11y plus 22 in brackets, all divided by negative 5y plus 60 is greater than or equal to 0. Set the top equal to 0. This bracket times that bracket is 0. I'm going to set each of these brackets to being 0. I have negative 8y minus 72 equals 0. Add 72 to both sides, so negative 8y equals 72. Then divide both sides by negative 8. Y is equal to negative 9. For the 11y plus 22, we get 11y plus 22 equals 0. Subtract 22 from both sides. We have 11y is equal to negative 22. Divide both sides by 11. Y is equal to negative 2. Then we have negative 5y plus 60. Make that equal to 0. Negative 5y plus 60 equals 0. Subtract 60 from both sides. Negative 5y is equal to negative 60. Divide both sides by negative 5. Y is equal to positive 12. We now have three numbers, which is going to divide our number line into 7 regions. It's a little bit different than previous levels. Put the smallest one first. That's negative 9. And beware, these don't always come in that order. Okay, this is the first one happens to be the smallest. That's purely coincidental. Then negative 2. And then the largest is 12. We're looking at the region that's less than negative 9. I'm going to put a negative 10 here. Then I have the region that's equal to negative 9. Then I have the region between negative 9 and negative 2, like negative 5. And then I'm going to have the region that's equal to negative 2. Then the region between negative 2 and negative 12, which I'm going to represent with the easiest number possible, 0. And then I have 12, and then the region greater than 12, 13. This is negative 8y minus 72. This is the 11y plus 22, negative 5y plus 60. Then we're looking at the whole thing. Negative 8 times the y value minus 72. Fill that down. Here's our 0. Is equal to 11 times the y value plus 22. Fill those down. Is equal to negative 5, the y value plus 60, and then fill those down. I want to see what happens when I multiply the two tops divided by the bottom. Here we get a negative. If I fill that down, we have negative, 0, positive, 0, negative. This is really undefined. Positive. When is it greater than or equal to 0? When is it positive or 0? That's here, 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 and here. And if I mark that on our number line over here, on negative 9, so I'm putting a solid dot on negative 9, but negative 9 is included, negative 2 is included, and in between is included. I'm going to put a solid dot on the negative 2, and then everything in between. Then nothing else is included until we get to beyond the 12. And put a hollow dot on the 12. We are shading this way. Our interval is, which I've foolishly written that in the answer. It's just I didn't have any room, so I have to erase that. Y is a member of. The 9 is included, so accept a bracket on negative 9 all the way up to negative 2, and accept a bracket on the negative 2. Union, then from 12 on, the rejecto bracket on the 12 because the 12 is not included, to infinity, and then always rejecto bracket on the infinity. Let's press enter to see if we're right. That is it for level 17. Have a good day.